Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Marketpath CMS to embed a video from YouTube. The goal today is to remove the control as well as what videos show at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll go to the video on YouTube and you'll click Share. You'll click Embed. And then let's go ahead and just click Copy. And it let us know it copied. So we're going to Marketpath CMS. Marketpath CMS can host any website as well as an application. So we have this preview screen that we're going to embed, and then so we take our WYSIWYG, we click the video embed button, and the embed code, you can right click and click paste or Control V or Command V. And then if the OK button isn't appearing, just click Tab to proceed, and then you'll see that our video is pasted. That's really neat. So let's go back and then follow the instructions. So again, to hide the controls, we're going to do Control = 0. So let's go ahead and copy that. Let's go to the blog post and let's click the Source tab. Now this might look scary, but all you're going to have to do is look for the HTTP or HTTPS. So that's the URL, and go to the very end of it. Click a question mark on your keyboard and paste the values. In this WYSIWYG, you can't right click, so you'll have to either hit Control V or Command V if you have a Mac. So that parameter, the controls = 0, just hid the controls. Now, because we want the videos that show at the end of the video, we want to keep in the same channel, so we want to add the rel = 0. So again, I'm going to right click, click copy, and then I put an ampersand after that Control zeros, and then I'm going to hit Control V, and then now we're done. That's all we have to do. So you can click source. So we're in our live preview screen. When I go ahead and press play, you'll see that the controls to play and pause are hidden. And then because I've hidden the controls, I can't actually show you that the videos that appear at the very end of the video are on the same channel. But if you wanted to test that out, feel free to go down and you can wait till the end of the video and watch the entire 2 minutes or whatnot. So let's go ahead and press play and show you our handiwork. So it's playing.
I just couldn't stop thinking about it.
And you can't control it. You can go ahead and pause it. So a great use case would be if you're trying to demo a feature or some other part of your business. This would help your viewers stay in tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us some feedback at the bottom of this post.